How to create a Stripe payment link. Payment links let us receive money instantly without writing code or building a website. So if we do not use them properly, we could miss easy ways to get paid quickly. So let's create out a Stripe payment link step by step. We open up a browser for that, and you can go to the dashboard of Stripe if you have not done that. So you can just go over and do so, and then open up the dashboard, which may appear like this. Now from here, what we need to do is click on the left menu at the top left, tap on it, and that pops up a menu with a bunch of options available. We need to scroll through the section and find the option for products, and there will be finding option called payments. So drop it down, and there will be finding option called payment links. So select that option and open up that page. It should redirect you to that page or open up the next page directly. Now, if we want to create up a new payment link, we just need to click on this option called create payment link and complete up the process. So first of all, we need to choose what the link is for what product, what one-time product or the specific service. So you can just go over and add it up. So I'm just gonna add up, for example, only. And once it is done, add it as new product. And you need to provide in the description and the pricing, etc. Just go over and add it up first. And once it is done, we'll be finding options like what options it collects. Tax automatically collects customers' name, etc. So you can just go over and do so. And once it is done, you can just go over and tap on this option called create link at the very top right corner of the screen and confirm it up. And Stripe should generate a unique URL. You can copy and share it via email, WhatsApp, etc., social media, what website button, etc., and confirm it up and share it. And you can test the link first to make sure it works, and the track payments will be directly available in the Stripe dashboard. And payment links are very secure and PCI compliant. And that now we have successfully created a Stripe payment link without writing any code. So we hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.